It is that time of year where I get my son Jake to take the videos from last year and put them all on a 4-disc DVD set and put them up for sale at my online store at weldmonger.com. They were ready now. I'll link the page up in the description of this video. Let's take a quick look at what they look like. If this is something you're interested in, if you think it will help you level up, take your game to the next level, maybe get a raise at your job, maybe help you feed your family, just click on the link. I'll see you here real soon with a normal weekly video. Thanks for watching.